everyone. This is Katarina from company Huayin. This is Huayin live show now. And Huayin manufacture of pyrolysis machine for recycling waste tires and plastic to oil. And in this time, you can see our 3 workshops and our demo factories. This is my colleague Clover.
Hi, my friends. Happy New Year. This is Clover, and today I will show you our 3 workshops. Katerina, will you introduce today what will we see in the live show 2 hours?
Yeah, during the live show, and you will see our 3 workshops. And behind me is the number 1 workshop. And in here, you can see how we make the reactor. And in my left hand, this is our number 2 workshop. And here is our storage. And in my right side, and you can see this is our number 3 workshop, and we will see how we make the cooling system and the dust system and so on. And the second part, you will see the real big machine. It's our demo factory. Yeah.
And then, if we have time, we will go back to the live room, right?
Yeah, and Coco will show you clients' cases.
Okay. So now first, let's look at our 3 workshops. Number 1 workshop is mainly for manufacturing reactor, and you know the reactor is the most important part. So let's have a look.
Okay, go ahead, follow me. Hi, my friends, you are in Huayin live show room.
Hi, you know,
Hi.
the pyrolysis plant includes 6 parts, right?
Yeah.
It includes the reactor, the cooling system, the dust removal system, and the auto feeder, the carbon black discharging system, and the heating system, right?
Yeah.
So the reactor connects to every other part. So and it accepts the high temperature heating. So its quality is very important, right?
Yeah.
And now we are in front of the reactor.
Yeah. The reactor is the most important part of our pyrolysis machine. It's like the heart of our body. So Clover will introduce our reactor. Hi, Clover. This is our reactor. Could you please introduce us more information about it?
Yes, the reactor is the most important part. It includes 2 parts: the outside cover, the inside boiler part. So first, let's look at the inside boiler part. Okay. The reactor
Yeah, let's have a look.
boiler part is made of Q245R steel plate.
Yeah, here you can see Q245R. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like its name card, showing its quality, and it's bought from the Angang Group of Fortune 500 in China. Very popular for making steel plates.
Hi, Clover. What's the thickness of the plate?
It's 16 millimeters.
16 millimeter. Why do you choose the 16 millimeters?
And that's a very good question, Katrina. We tested many times. Then we choose this size. 16 millimeter is the optimal size. If thicker, then it will affect the heat transfer. And if it's too thin, it will not stand high temperature heating for a long time. So its service life will be short.
Oh, yeah, I see. Okay, thank you. Yeah, here we can see the inner reactor.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes, it's made of the steel plate here. Do you know the manufacturing process?
No, I don't know. Share us your experience.
Okay. The steel plates, we will use it to that blue machine. Then we will move it here to weld it. Then I have 6 times of welding.
There are so many tuning themes. So could you please introduce what's the
As our reactor, and it you and it's not manufactured by us. It's sent to our neighboring factory for manufacturing. So this factory um, specialized in head cover manufacture. And second, you see here, it's fully sealed because you see here it's fully sealed because it only has one welding thing. So you know the less the welding thing, the more easier to weld it and to fully seal it. And third, you can see its shape. It's like a bowl. It's like a bowl. So it can easily stand the pressure, even if it has any pressure. Because of workers' wrong operation, the pressure will go to other place. It's kind of buffering, very safe.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Now, Clover, I saw some questions. The first letter is C and the last letter is E. And this friend asked us, what's the machine you are talking about?
Yes, this machine is for recycling with the tires and the plastics into furnace oil and diesel. So it's an environmental project, very popular in many countries. We've already installed in 78 countries.
Mm-hmm. Hi, my friends, let's go ahead. Mm-hmm. If you are watching our live show, you could give us like and comments. If you have any questions and if you want to get catalog, please click the catalog and our salespeople will contact with you and send to you more information about our pyrolysis machine.
Yes.
Hi, Clover. And just now you mentioned our reactor is made of 2 parts, the inner reactor and the insulation cover. Yeah, is this insulation cover?
Yes, this is half the insulation cover. Outside, upper, it also has another insulation cover.
Yeah, I thought the cover is made of 3 layers and the outside layer is steel, and the middle layer is white rock wool.
Yes.
And could you please introduce us more?
Yes, outside is steel plate and the middle part is white rock wool for thermal insulation, and outside is steel slag and refractory cement to protect it.
Yeah, I thought in the middle layer there are red rock wool, and in the market there are also black and yellow ones. So could you please introduce the differences between the rock wool, black, yellow, and red rock wools?
Yes, you are right. There are many different types of rock wools in the market. Their differences is as a thermal insulation effect. The white ones are the best to keep temperature. It's like our coat to keep the temperature. But the yellow ones and the black ones, they will shrink and vanish after high temperature. So there would be no thermal insulation effect over time.
Yeah, so company Huayin choose raw materials with good quality, and you choose us reliable supplier.
Yes, but after the insulation cover is finished, you can see nothing from outside.
Yeah. I like Clover. I saw the wooden boxes.
Yes, yes, this and also you can see here the names and these wooden boxes are to store the parts, the small parts, so to avoid it getting lost. here we place the various parts for clients. Like here, the thermal insulation, the thermal couple is for measuring oil gas temperature.
And the ceramic?
Yes, the ceramic rings for it's used for the purification chamber. It's to absorb impurities.
Yeah.
And this is the alarming fail, one of the safety devices. We will give the many variable parts to you for your smooth operation. And we also suggest to you to buy some spare parts for your daily operation.
Yeah, you see, our pyrolysis machine is made of thousands of accessories.
Yes.
Now, let's have a look at our warehouse.
Yeah, now we are at our warehouse.
Okay, let's go ahead.
You know, the pyrolysis plant is made of over 1,000 parts, and every small part matters.
Hi, Clover. Oh, it's so heavy. What's this?
Heavy. This is the side glass for viewing oil coming out. And you know what? The most important part is this glass, because you know the oil temperature is very high temperature, over 100 Celsius degree. So we have to ensure the glass can stand such high temperature. So we use quartz material. The quartz can stand over 1,000 Celsius degree. So it's very safe.
Yeah. And you see, oh, I see here is metal gasket. Yeah.
Yes, this is metal gasket.
This is also gasket. What's the differences between them?
Their differences are their using times. These asbestos gaskets are disposable. It's only for one time. It's only for one-time use. So after you open it, you need to replace that. But these metal ones, they can be used for many batches. So this can save your daily operation cost, your maintenance cost. So now we gradually use this to lower your daily operation cost. Although this would increase our manufacturer's cost.
Yeah, it's also important to reduce frequency of maintenance. So company Huayin always do the best to ease the operation for our clients.
Yes.
Hi, Clover. Here are so many pipe connections. Yeah.
Yes, this is these are the connections, and this is the three-way connections.
And here elbow connections.
Yes. We have over 1,000 Celsius degree, so 1,000 parts, and for every small part, we pay attention to the details, and we use good quality so that the plant can operate well.
Yeah. Okay, let's go outside and have a look around again.
Yeah, sure.
Hi, my friends. This is Huayin live room. This is Huayin live room. If you are watching our live show, and you could give us like and comments. If you have questions, you could leave your questions, and we will answer your question. Okay. Hi, Clover. Here is roller. Yeah, it's used for the reactor.
Yes, you know, the rollers are one of the driving system, one part of the driving system. The reactor is rotatory because it has to rotate and to fit the tires and the plastics evenly. So we use rollers and the gear and reducers. They are all very important. So to ensure quality, we produce the gear and the rollers ourselves, so that we can control the quality and trace the quality things.
Yeah, I see.
Yes, and you can also see here that the rollers are very smooth. It's very smooth. You can touch it if you are here. And because we use a lasing machine, to make it smooth. It's very important to ensure that there is no bubbles. Otherwise, it cannot rotate very smoothly.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's go ahead. Hi, Clover. On my right hand, there are graphic packing, yeah? And
Yes.
spare parts.
Yes.
Let's have a look.
This graphite packing is one of the things. It's one of the sealing materials. It can seal the feeding door, the carbon black discharging door, and the oil outlet. And we have to open these doors often to feed and to discharge carbon black. So you will need these materials often. That's why we suggest you to buy many boxes of this for your long-term operation and long-term profit. We will also give you several boxes for test running.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you know what? One of our Kenyan clients, he bought 120 boxes.
Whoa.
Along with his plant because locally it's very difficult to buy and
it's expensive.
Very expensive.
Mm-hmm. Hi, Clover. I thought this is electrical cabinet.
Yes.
Yeah, but I think this one is bigger than the else. So could you please introduce the differences?
Yes, it's written in Chinese here that it includes a transformer, so it's bigger than others.
Got it. And you see, this cabinet is written by English and Chinese, and we can also provide customized design if you are from Russian or from other countries and you want to change the language and tell us, and we will provide you customized cabinet. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Here I see there is a cooling tower.
Yes, this cooling tower is to cool the cooling water. We will use water to cool all your gas so that you can get quality oil.
Yeah, and cooling tower in this package, it could help you to save space during the transportation by sea or by car or by train. Mm-hmm. And it's very easy to install the cooling tower.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Here we will see the reducer. Mm-hmm. And the reducer is one part of the reactor.
Yes, it also belongs to the driving system. So its quality is also very important. We upgraded its material from casting iron to casting steel so that it's stronger and it's more durable. And thus it can enjoy long service time. Because you know why we upgraded?
I don't know. Share with us.
Yeah, because for some countries, their power supply is not stable.
Mm-hmm.
So if one plant is operating and the oil gas is producing, and suddenly power off, it will give big pressure to the driving system and easily cause damage to it. So we upgraded it. So now, even if it's power off, it will not affect this driving system.
Yeah, got it. Okay, thank you, Clover. Now, my friends, you are in Huayin live show. This is Katerina and Clover from company Huayin, manufacturer of pyrolysis machine for recycling waste tires and plastic to oil. And if you want to start this business, and click the catalog, and our salespeople will contact with you and send to you more information about our pyrolysis machine.
Yeah.
Hi, Global. I have a question for you.
Okay.
Could you share with us how to choose the reliable supplier?
Yeah, that's a good question. And many clients have this question. They don't know how to choose a good supplier.
Yeah.
So here I will give you 4 tips. First, you should choose experienced factory, not a trading company, because a real factory and experienced factory will help you with many suggestions for
Yeah.
this project. They will help you how to choose the raw material, how to sell the oil. So they will give you many shortcuts for you to succeed. And second, the quality. The plant plant manufacturing quality and the materials they use are very important. They have to use good material, good manufacturing skills. And third, the technology. And technology, food technology will always help you to run the plant safely and environment friendly.
Yeah.
Advanced technology can help you stay in front of this business all the time. That's why we have the technical team always do the research and development, always testing new things, and always do the domestic and foreign visits.
Okay.
And fourth, the service.
Service is very important.
Because this plant is too complicated.
Yeah, it's so big machine.
Yes, no, like if without training, you don't know how to operate it. It's just like a plane. If I give you a plane, you cannot fly. It's a waste for you. If you fly without skills, you will drop out and have accident, right? Yeah. So, good service, good training are also very important to help you safely.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Clover. Thank you for your experience.
By the way, I forgot mentioning that regarding service. That's why we specially built an after-sales department to serve our clients.
Yeah. Oh, I thought now we will see our. Oh, it's so small.
Yes.
Reactor.
Yes.
It's
one.
What's the capacity?
It's 1 ton capacity.
Only 1 ton.
Yes.
Why customers will choose the pyrolysis machine only 1 ton? Why?
Yeah, our most popular model is 10 tons, right?
Yeah.
And some clients, before they start this business, the government don't give them permit license. They have to show. So clients have to show to them that this plant is environment friendly and it's green technology. So they use this small plant as a pilot. And also for a middlemen, middlemen have to show to their potential clients about the running process. So they are very popular too. This is for my Mexico clients.
Got it.
To do it as a pilot for small investment. If they get to know the oil quality, oil yield rate, then they will expand the production line.
So, company Huayin can provide different capacity for your choice. And if you want to start from small business, you can choose the small one, and like the 1 ton or 3 ton. And our most popular design is 10 ton.
Yes.
Yeah. And if you don't know how to choose, and contact with our sales manager, and our salespeople will give you suggestion and suitable design.
Yes, we also have 10 kg. It's a mini plant, right?
Yeah, my clients from Russian bought a mini pyrolysis machine, only 10 kg. Yeah, he wanted to test different raw materials, so he bought it.
Yeah, we also have one Egyptian client and one Canadian client. They want to test their raw materials, so they buy the mini machine.
Yeah. Now, let's go about our workshop number 1. Now, we are in workshop number 2.
Yeah.
Here is our story. You see, oh, there are so many reactors, and they are already for delivery. And now, Clover, I have a question. Why there are so many reactors with silver color?
Yes, you're right.
Because it's beautiful.
No. They choose this silver color not because it's beautiful, but because this silver is not common silver. It's high temperature resistant. So because the reactor is a very high temperature. So if using common painting, it will easily get black. But using this one is good.
I got it.
Yeah.
Wow. Clover, just now you mentioned that one reactor only has one reducer. But why this one has 2 reducer?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, right. Because this is not for common tires and plastics. It's for oil sludge. Like oil sludge from oil fields, brown or crude oil sludge. And they can use this machine because oil sludge is heavier and high density. So we customized this design, and it has many other special designs too. And outside you can see the reducers. It uses another reducer to better support.
Yeah, I see. So company Huayin can provide customized design. 哪个? And so our pyrolysis machine could recycle not only waste plastics, but also oil sludge and oil mud. And my friends, if you don't know whether your raw materials could be recycled to oil, you can contact with our sales manager and you can get suitable suggestions.
Yes. Oh, I see there are questions.
Yeah.
How many times in your pyrolysis plant are asked by clients with the first letter C and the last letter E, right?
Yeah.
We have six parts, the reactor and the cooling system, the gas removal system, and the auto feeder, the carbon black discharging system, and the heating system. Now
it's a disaster system.
Yes,
Wow.
But we have 5 different discharging systems.
Yeah.
And now what you see is the 5.5 meter stainless steel ceramic ring. That's the removal system. So it has 2 special advantages. First, it has besides common water sprinkler to absorb the heat in the smoke. It also has the ceramic rings to better absorb the impurities. And second, it's stainless steel. So the smoke from fuel burning has acid. So it will corrode the dust removal system. That's why we choose stainless steel material so that it can stand frozen and enjoy longer service.
Do you have air emission reports?
Yes, sure.
Okay, hi my friends. If you also want to get air emission reports and contact with us, and our sales manager will share with you more information about our pyrolysis machine.
Yeah.
And Clover, just now you mentioned that company Huayin has different design of the dust system. Yeah, about 5 types.
Yes.
And just now only is one of the 5 types. And my friends, if you don't know how to choose the right one, just contact with us and our sales people.
Yeah.
你说
Yes, sure. If you want to know about our capacity, about our emission report, or about our steel plate report, you can contact our. You can click chat now on your right bottom corner to chat with our
Yeah.
service people. And we saw a question here. How many capacity model you have?
We have made different capacity for choice, and the smallest one is only 1 ton per day per batch, and the most popular design is 10 ton per day per batch.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And if you want to have customized design, and we can also provide you suitable suggestions.
Yes. Oh, let's see the screen. Oh, our friend with the first letter Z and the last letter U. He says, "Hello, Huayin guys. I miss you very much." Oh,
Hello.
it's our old friend. Hello. Hello, my friend.
Hi, my friends. This
Yeah.
is Huayin Live Show Room, and Huayin is manufacturer of pyrolysis machine for recycling waste tiles and plastics to oil. And if you have some raw materials for recycling, and you can contact with us, and we will share with you more information about our pyrolysis machine, and you could do your contribution for your country and for your city.
Yes, because and also because this Alibaba protects the client's privacy, so we can only see client's first letter and last letter. So
Yeah.
if you want to, so please click chat now or catalog, so that we know about your information and can give you more suitable suggestions.
Okay, now my friends, now we are in our number 3 workshop. In this workshop, we are making the dust system, cooling system, and other accessories. Hi, Clover, and what's this?
Yeah, this is for testing the welding of our small parts. For the reactor, we use the soup water to test it, and we also have ultrasonic machines to test it, right?
Yeah.
And for small parts like oil water separator, backfire device, oil tanks, and so on, we take them here to test it. We will fill them with water and then to pump 3 MPa pressure inside it for 3 minutes to see whether there is any water bubble coming out. If it no water bubble, then it proves it's fully sealed.
Oh, got it.
It's a very important part because if your battery it has leakage, it will be very difficult to maintain. So we will have to ensure that every part is good and safe in our factory before
Delivery.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now, my friends, if you are watching our live show, you could give us like and comments. Mhm. Now let's go ahead. This is Huayin live showroom now, and company Huayin is a reliable supplier for pyrolysis machine, and this machine could recycle waste tiles, rubber, plastic, and oil sludge and so on.
Yes.
Now Clover is here is in a reactor.
Yes.
It's for delivery
Yes.
or without insulation cover.
Yes.
Why?
I know you will have this question, so let me tell you why. This is for our Kyrgyzstan clients.
Kyrgyzstan clients?
Yes, you know, to this country, we can. It's not by sea. It can be transported by car or by train, right?
Yeah.
So we use for train, it has a size limit. Cannot. So to meet this size requirement, we transport it without the cover. With this can be transported to train, and the installation cover will be transported separately. This way can save the client's transportation cost.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, by train, the transportation fee will be lower than transport by car.
Yes.
So company Huayin can also provide suitable suggestions for transportation.
Yes, because we are already in this field for 28 years.
Yeah,
Now
and
it's 2021, and we started this business in 1993. So in over these 28 years, we accumulated many experience. That's regarding shipping. Send the goods to seaport for loading in containers, and also we can put the machines in containers in our factory. Just like what we did for our South African clients.
yeah.
Right? Yes. So we will recommend the suitable solution based on your needs and based on the local transportation requirements.
Yeah. So if you just have questions, and you can just contact with our sales manager or service people, and we will give you a super answer and a suggestion.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now you are watching the with the tire and the plastic to all your recycling machines.
Wow, there are so many ceramic.
Yes, ceramics
Wow.
ready for shipping.
Ready for shipping.
Yeah,
Wow.
you can see here. It has many layers. Layer by layer, it can absorb the smoke and impurities from fuel burning, and so to meet your local environmental standards. And when shipping, it will be packed like this.
Yeah. Hi, Clover. Do you know how to clean it?
It's very easy. One of my clients asked
Yeah.
that, do I need to
To replace the ceramic.
I said no, of course not. Otherwise, it will be very costly, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So, when you can clean it with the oil from coming out of the anti-backfire device. The oil can come out three parts, right?
Yeah, yeah.
The two oil tanks, and the oil and the anti-backfire device. The anti-backfire device oil is very clean, so it can be used to clean this ceramic.
Yeah. So you don't need to buy some new ceramic. Yeah, you just clean the ceramic and you can use it again.
Yeah, you just need to lift them out and clean and put it back.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
Hi, Clover. I saw the new machine. No, I don't know what's the advantage and what's it used for.
Let's see. You see here, on our foot is the steel plate for making the steel plate for making the small parts like the cooling system, dust removal system, and the small tanks and so on. So, the smaller the part, the more complicated manufacturing technology is, and the more details you need to cut them to the accurate size. Right?
Yeah.
Yes, so we use the plasma cutting machine and the laser cutting machine to cut it.
Wow.
Yes.
What's the advantage?
It has several advantages.
Yeah.
It can make sure that the parts are very accurate. Like here.
Oh, it's so cute.
Yes. It's for lifting the reactors at the four corners of the reactor. Very accurate. So, and second, it can improve efficiency. If it's more advanced than labor manufacturing, right?
Yeah.
And third, it can reduce the leftovers and reduce the waste of the steel plate.
Yeah, it's very important.
Oh, by the way, these advanced machines can help us achieve batch manufacturing. Every month, we can make 25 sets machines.
25. Whoa.
Yes. And we after cutting, this machine we are them into round shape, into a type, and here we roll it to round shape, and we also have a type cutting machine.
This one?
Yes, you're right. Type cutting machine. Right. And you can also see some workers in our factory, right?
Yeah, they are making the.
Making some other parts because our factory is located in an industrial zone, industrial town. Nearby there are many villages and villagers. So besides automatic machines, we also use some workers to improve the employment and to help increase the wages of the villagers.
I see.
It's something like charity.
It's interesting.
But it's also responsible for the whole village. And he is like a teacher, so he is he is very generous, and he's a pious Christian. So he thinks after he earns money, he has to return to the society to help improving the life of others. That's why we also choose to use some workers.
Yeah, I see. Okay, thank you, Clover. That's all about our workshop number 3. And hi everyone, this is Huayin Live Showroom. And now we show you our 3 workshops around, and in the next part, you can see our demo factory. In our demo factory, you could see the real big pyrolysis machine with different design. Yeah, we have distributed design and integrated design. Yes, and in our demo factory, you could see all the machine with different designs. And my colleague Coco will introduce more information about our pyrolysis machine.
Yes.
Hi, Coco.
Hello guys, welcome to Huayin live show. Nice to see you again. Now I will show you our demo factory. Okay, let's go. We will go to the demo factory by car. It's about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay. Hello guys, it's very cold in China today. It's below 0. And firstly, Happy New Year to everyone. It's our first live show in 2021. So, did you ever see our live show before? If yes, please comment 1 and let me know, okay? It's our Huayin live show. And we are going to our demo factory. Since 1993, Huayin specialized in waste-to-energy equipment and offering solution to the waste tire recycling, waste plastic recycling, waste aging oil recycling equipment. And we know it's very hard for both of us in 2020 for the COVID-19, right? And many clients, not many, all of our clients can't come to our Huayin factory, can't come to China. So our sales team are changing our work method. Before we worked just contact with our clients by email or by phone. But this year, we increased the live show to show you more about our machine and the Huayin factory. So I think our old friends is not the first time see our live show, maybe 3 or 4 times to see our live show. Yes, thanks for all your friends. Come to our Huayin live show and support our job. Of course, this will be a common sales method in our new year. We will show our machine through the live show to you. Because when our clients can't come to China and can't come to Huayin factory, we just can through the live show, through the video screen and show you more details, right? Okay. And if you have any questions, please don't forget leave your comments or click the chat now and the catalog. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's show the Huayin demonstration plant here. Yes, why we build this demonstration plant? Because we will test our new technology in our demo factory. Since 1993, we already started to engage in this business. So through many years, update and technology change. So we need test the pyrolysis machine technology. So we won't let our clients test the new technology, right? There is risk. Each new technology with risks. So we will test the technology ourselves, and then after testing many times, and then use a new technology to our machine. And when our clients come to visit Huayin factory, they are really want to see the real running machine. They want to see whether this machine can work or not. Not see it in the computer, but they want to see the machine with their eyes themselves. So we built the demo factory and show the machines to ourselves. Okay. Now we arrive in our demo factory. You can see from the left side, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different factories. They are different generation, and it will show our Huayin technology updating history. Okay, I will introduce you. The first one is our fifth generation pyrolysis machine. From the first generation to second generation to seventh generation, there is already 7 different generation about our pyrolysis machine. It also show our different technology. And the second, the machine not pending is a new machine this year. We want to develop a new machine to recycle the medical waste. We know in the last year, 2020, there are many medical wastes all over the world. So we want to develop a new technology can recycling the waste the medical waste at the same time. And the right one is a distillation machine. It's for the waste aging oil, the oil sludge, the pyrolysis oil to diesel machine. And the first one, this 2 sliver one is the pyrolysis machine. Okay, today I will mainly introduce the pyrolysis machine to you. It's 10-ton capacity. When you want to build a pyrolysis plant, many clients will ask how many square meters you will need to install one 10-ton capacity pyrolysis machine. First, you need a factory or a space about 300 to 400 square meters. The width is 10 meters and the length is about 40 meters, and the height is like the factory height. We usually suggest about 8 to 10 meters. Okay, it's about the 10-ton pyrolysis machine capacity space. And but for the whole plant, we usually suggest at least 1,000 square meters because you need to stock the waste tires, the raw material, or the fuel oil, right? Okay, now let me start introduce the whole pyrolysis plant for you. In our production workshop, Clover and Katerina already introduced the main part of the pyrolysis plant. Pyrolysis plant is the reactor, right? And they introduced the reactor outside part and the inside part to you, and many technology details, and to let you know how we control our machine quality. But in the demo factory, I will give you a simple concept about the pyrolysis plant. It means you will see how the machine will look like when it's installed in your factory. Okay, there are 6 main parts about the pyrolysis plant. The first one is the outfeeder. The outfeeder can help you push the waste tire and waste plastic to the reactor directly. First, there is 16 tons hydraulic power. It can compass the raw material volume, like the waste tires and the waste plastic. Sometimes our clients want to feed the waste plastic by piece, right? When it's feeding by piece, it will cost a lot space in the reactor. But with the outfeeder, it can compress the volume and save a lot of space for you. It means it increase the capacity per batch for the pyrolysis process time and increase the quantity. And of course, about the waste tire, we can push the whole tire to the reactor directly. Of course, if your tire already shredded, it also can use our outfeeder. It can also help you save more space. Okay, it's our outfeeder. First, it can help you save the space, and the second, it can help you save a lot of time. If you feeding the raw material by by walker, it will need about 5 to 7 hours for 10-ton with the tires. But with our outfeeder, With our outfeeder, you only need 2 hours only. Okay. Oh, I see there some friends leave my name, Coco. Hello, nice to see you. You can see I'm very heavy jacket because it's very cold today. Okay, and now let me continue about the outfitter. The second, it can save a lot of time for you, and the third, it's very safe. Why it's very safe? Because if you not without the reactor, when the pyrolysis process finished, your workers need to walk into the reactor, right? But when we heating the reactor, it will reach very high temperature, even 1000. When it finish the process, the reactor couldn't cooling down totally. So when the reactor walk into the reactor, it's very dangerous. There is no oxygen, and at the same time, it will hurt them by the high temperature. So it's very safe. And the first, we design a hook in the outfitter. We know after the waste tire pyrolysis process finished, there will steel wires lives in the reactor, right? So the outfitter with the hook can pull out the steel wires directly. So it can help you pull out the steel wires at the same time. So the outfitter is very necessary when you want to build the pyrolysis plant. And at the same time, if you want to buy 2 sets 10-ton pyrolysis plant, only one outfitter is okay for you. I can say there is a steel trick, right? There are steel trick. We can build the steel trick from the left side to the right side. So it can move automatically from the right side to the left side. So 2 sets 10-ton reactor can use one outfitter is okay. Okay. Okay, now let's to see the main part of the reactor. Why we say the reactor is the most important part in the pyrolysis plant? Because it's from here the waste tire and the waste plastic will become oil gas from here. So the design is very important. First, about the reactor feeding door, I want to introduce a little about the feeding door. Uh, Many clients want to recycling the waste tire. If the waste tire diameter is less than 1.4 meters, if the diameter is less than 1.4 diameter, you can use our outfeeder and push the whole tire to the reactor directly. But if you want to recycling the big tire, like the OTR tire, we know it's industry tire and very big tire, and some truck tire, more than 1.4 meters diameter tire. You need a cutter firstly, so cut the waste tire to piece firstly, and then push to a reactor. So we not only can supply the pyrolysis machine to you, of course the tire cutter. So you can contact with your sales manager or leave your message, leave your contact information to us. Okay. Okay. A moment, please. Okay. It's about the reactor, and the third part is the LUA. It's a foundation. We also call it a furnace. The function of the foundation is to heat the reactor. We can see the height. The height, there are 2 cans height above the foundation. When you want to use wood or coal as the fuel material, the height should be 1.26 meters. But if you sorry, it should be 1.53 meters. But if you want to use pyrolysis oil or the natural gas, it only needs 1.26 meters. So there are different heights about the foundation. Of course, if your local place allows you dig under the ground, and it can allow dig under the ground, you can build yourself and build the foundation to under the ground. Okay, there are different type, and when you contact with our sales manager, you can tell her or him the details about the requirements. They will recommend the suitable models to you. Okay, and as I just mentioned, the fuel material you can choose 4 types: the wood, the coal, pyrolysis oil, and the natural gas. But 90% of our clients will choose the pyrolysis oil from the pyrolysis machine itself, because it needn't buy other fuel material from the market. And of course, the wood and the coal is not very cheap all over the world, right? Many years before, some Indian clients and Bangladesh clients will choose to use wood as the fuel material because the flue gas is more easy to clean. But now, more and more clients are prefer to choose the pyrolysis oil as the fuel material. And so when you use the pyrolysis oil as the fuel material, you will use one oil burners, like the 10-ton capacity. There are 3 furnace door here, so you will need 3 oil burners. And if you contact with us before, I think you will get offer from Huayin and see the simple one about the oil burner. It's a blue color. It's a very simple oil burner, but it will reduce the maintenance times because the nozzle about the oil burner is very big. We know the pyrolysis oil, there is some stick parts or dirty in the pyrolysis oil. It's easy to block the nozzle. But with the blue tap oil burners, it can reduce the block problem. So, and we also have another type, like the red one. It's controlled automatically by the X ring. So when the temperature reach a certain degree, the oil burner can cut off automatically. No need control by human, by workers. So it's many clients are prefer to choose high technology and high automatically tap also. Of course, if you like high technology and more automatically type, you can choose this type also. And the first part is a carbon black discharge system. We can say this one is our carbon black discharge type. It uses pneumatic conveyor system, so it's very fast and clean. Of course, we have another type, carbon black discharge system. It's discharge the carbon black from the side part. I will introduce you later in other place later. And this is the first part. And the five part of the pyrolysis plant is the cooling system. We can see there are 2 types, different cooling system here, like the blue one and the green one. Let me introduce the green one to you firstly. The cooling system is very important. We know the oil gas will go through the cooling system and then become a liquid oil, right? Okay, a little trouble just now. Okay, let's continue. Okay, the container design about the cooling system is given by our Europe client. When our boss travel to Europe and talking with their the local people and found the salary cost is very high in Europe, and the staff and the workers. It's okay. Okay, and the worker's salary is very high in Europe markets, and so the installation time is very important. If we can save the installation time for them, then we can save a lot cost, right? A lot cost for them. So after back to our factory, back to China, our boss and the development and the technology department started to design this cooling system. This cooling system use the Germany automatic clean technology. Maybe you can't see very clearly in the video, but there is a simple slope here, so it can clean the oil sludge automatically. And second, all these parts already contact wheel in our factory, and the wheeled very well. Our wheeled worker in Huayin already works maybe 5 years, 8 years, even 10 years. So they have the rich experience about the welding work. So the welding quality can be confirmed and ensured. So you no need to find a very professional weld worker in locally to weld the parts. So all the parts already contact wheel in our factory. You just need contact other parts in your factory. It's okay. Okay, so it can save a lot installation time for you. And then let me introduce the square box cooling system. We can say the square box cooling system is very big, but it's no need dig a water pole in your factory. So it can save a lot installation time, and of course there are better cooling affection. Okay, there are 20 piece 6 meters cooling pipe inside. So the cooling distance is total to 120 meters. So the cooling effect is very good, and it's most hot popular cooling system at present. And we sold a lot the square box cooling system in the last year. And of course, I think it will keep the top one sales position in the new year. Okay. Okay. After introduce the 5 parts about the pyrolysis plant, the cooling system, I want to introduce you some details about our technology change design. Okay. Okay. Let me go upside. Yes, when you want to do the business about the pyrolysis plant, you must find a professional manufacturer, professional supplier. So, why we say Huayin is more professional? Because we already update many technology. And I will introduce you a few details to you today. First, we can see the oil outlet pipe. We changed the oil outlet pipe from 630 mm to 1 meter. Why we increase the oil outlet pipe? When you talking with other supplier or see their picture, you can see there are still many suppliers supply the reactor with very small oil outlet. It's very dangerous. Why? We know in some countries the electricity is not so stable. and especially in some Africa country. So when you already start the pyrolysis process, and the waste tire or waste the plastic already melt in the reactor, right? Then suddenly the electricity cut off. Then what will happen? The melt raw material will become solid and stick on the bottom of the reactor. So if you on the electricity only off uh, several minutes, it's no problem. But after several hours or even 1 or 2 days, when the electricity recover and then restart the reactor will rotate again, right? When it's rotate, the raw material solid stick to the bottom, and the under part is very heavy, but the upside is empty, right? When it rotates, it will lose the balance. So when it lose the balance, the reactor is rotated, but this system is stable, like the purification system is very stable. When it loses balance, it's very easy to break the oil outlet pipe and also the gearbox and the reducers. Once the oil outlet pipe break, the oil gas will come out, right? It's very dangerous. So we increase the oil outlet pipe from 630 meters to 1 meter. So it's a very big change in our reactor. You can notice this part. And about the sieve, we can see there are two pressure gauge here. So it will cause the double guarantee about the safe. When one pressure gauge reach a certain value, and there is alarm. When the alarm not ring, then the second pressure gauge will let the alarm ring automatically. So it will double safe guarantee about the about this. Of course, when there is pressure, it means there is block in the oil outlet. So we need to deal with immediately. Another one. And about the purification room, when you talking with other supplier, you can ask uh, how many layers about the purification room they have. We designed 2 layers about the purification room. The inside part with the ceramic rings, which can absorb the oil gas impurity. We know the waste tire or the waste plastic is very dirty. So when the oil gas comes from the reactor, the oil gas is very also dirty, right? So we need to absorb the impurity firstly. And then the second function about the purification room is couldn't let the oil gas temperature cooling down. We can't let the oil gas cooling down here because we need let the oil gas go to next stage, go to our first cooling stage and the second cooling stage. So can't let it cooling down here. So we designed 2 layers about the purification room. The outside we filled with perlite to keep the temperature, to keep the purification room more warm. So it's our special design too. And after, of course, there we can see there are 2 batch design here. So after each batch or 2 batch, you can open the flash and clean the oil sludge here. Okay. After the oil gas cleaned by the purification room, then we'll go on to the first cooling pipe and then go to the second cooling pipe like our cooling system. Okay, it's another detail about our pyrolysis machine, pyrolysis plant introduction. And now I will introduce the last part of our pyrolysis plant. It's our dedusting system. We know what's the dedusting system function. We know it's used for clean the flue gas from the furnace. Yeah. We use the pyrolysis oil, wood, or coal, or natural gas as the fuel material. So we need to clean the oil gas. We need to clean the flue gas, right? Many countries are paying more attention on the flue gas quality, about the gas quality. So we must use very high level dedusting system for the pyrolysis plant. Like this one, it's our desulfization and denatrification system. It can used in many Europe countries. Of course, we have other design about the dedusting system. So we will, according to your requirements, and recommend the suitable models to you about the dedusting system. Okay. Okay, there are total 6 parts about the pyrolysis plant. Okay, let's go on. We can say it's a medical with the processing device, but it's all still in testing, not finished machine. And okay, let me show you another type of the furnace about the foundation. It's also very popular in some Asia and Africa countries, even in some Europe country. We can say the foundation you can also build like this. Dig under the ground like this. We know many countries' government don't allow the underground construction because the water the water is very easy to come out when they dig the ground. So they will have to choose the above the ground type. So no matter under the ground or above the ground, both okay. Our engineer will give you drawings, will design the drawings to you. So you don't worry about the foundation. Okay. This red machine is our distillation machine. It can transfer the fuel oil, the pyrolysis oil, or the waste aging oil to diesel. And as I just mentioned, I will introduce you another type carbon black discharge system like this one. This one is very hot seal model all the time. When the pyrolysis plant process finished, there are some carbon black, right? No matter the waste tire or the waste plastic, there are still amounts carbon black discharge. After the processing finished, the carbon black discharge will fall down to the hopper, and then we use the screw system and convey the carbon black to this hopper directly. Of course, usually we won't supply the hopper to you because this container to you because the shipping cost is very high, but it's very easy to build one in your locally. It can our purpose is to save some cost for you. If you buy from us, no matter the container, the hopper cost is high. The shipping cost is very high too. So you need to build one or buy one in your local place. Okay, it's my simple introduction about the pyrolysis plant in our demo factory. And now let's back to our production workshop office in our live show room. I will give you big discount coupon and introduce you some global cases. Okay, let me see if there is some questions or not. Okay, let's go back to our live show room. Okay, hello friends. If you are still watching our Huayin live show, you can click the check now on the catalog to get more information about our pyrolysis plant. About the pyrolysis plant, it's not only can recycle the waste tire or waste plastic. Of course, it's very helpful to your local environment. We know the waste tire and waste plastic already a big problem all over the world in different countries because in the common disposed method is just landfill, right? Landfill and under the ground. In this way, it will cause the land pollution, the water pollution, and also the environment pollution. So it's a big problem all over the world. So we developed the pyrolysis machine to recycling the waste tire and waste plastic to fuel oil. It can reuse this waste tire and waste plastic. Of course, our pyrolysis plant also can recycle the oil sludge also, and some waste aging oil from the car, the truck, or the ship also can be disposed to diesel. Of course, the diesel is not standard diesel as we buy from the market. So we usually suggest use the diesel from the plastic tires or with the engine oil to the big engine like the ship engine, farm engine, like the tractors. Yes. So it's not the same quality diesel as the market. If some supplier tell you the diesel is very good quality, no, they are lying to you. And we can supply the oil report to you, like the tire pyrolysis oil report, plastic pyrolysis oil report, and the diesel report. Different reports we already made by the SGS. Okay. Okay, we arrive our workshop office building and we are going to our live show room. Please follow us and don't leave, okay? Okay, the machine we are talking about and introduce to you is waste tire and waste plastic recycling machine. So if you want to earn more money in New Year and want to invest some new project, it's a very good choice for you. Okay, we arrive the live show room. Are you familiar with this live show room? We already have about seven times live show. So many old friends here. So wish all my friends, first I want to wish all my friends Happy New Year. And this is a new beginning of the new year. So I think everything will be better in New Year. So all the best wishes to you, okay? And the machine we are talking about is with the tire and with the plastic recycling to oil machine. First, we can recycle the waste to the fuel oil. The fuel oil can sold to the glass factory, the steel making factory, boiler factories. Many factories, when they want to use the oil as the fuel material, you can use the pyrolysis oil. And of course, we can still transfer the fuel oil to diesel. But as I just mentioned, the diesel is not standard, but it can use for ship aging and farm aging. Okay, and in the lab room, I will introduce you some global case. We already export our pyrolysis machine to 77 countries all over the world. So it's a powerful proof about Huayin ability. From this case, we already have rich installation experience in different regions and different countries. Powerful proof about Huayin ability. Now, let's start. Okay, firstly, let me introduce our discount today. I just forget. If you are watching our live showroom and want to order the pyrolysis machine recently, you can take a screenshot about this $5,000 coupon. We will give you $5,000 coupon in our live showroom. You just take a screenshot about this and then show to your sales manager. They will give you $5,000 coupon. It's very big coupon. With this $5,000 coupon, you already get big discount. Okay, so don't forget take a screenshot about the coupon. Okay, yeah, it's about our discount today. Okay, let's continue. First, we already export our machine to Asia, 26 countries like India, Pakistan, Thailand, and Philippines. Of course, we also have market in China. Last month, one client bought 8 sets 10-ton pyrolysis machine from us one time. So they trust the Huayin very much and one time and buy 8 sets 10-ton capacity pyrolysis machine. So most of our clients not only buy only one 10-ton pyrolysis machine because they have many raw material, many with the tires and with the plastic. Sometimes they even cooperate with their government. So they need not only 10-ton capacity, maybe need 100 tons per day. So they need to buy many same model 10-ton capacity pyrolysis machine. And also Europe, 22 countries. We know Europe country have very strict requirements about the environment, about the air emissions. So when we enter the Europe country, it's also proof we have enough ability to enter the Europe countries. Yeah, like the Belgium, Germany, Russia, Italy, France, and Austria, Spain, Poland, many countries we have already installed our machine here. And Africa, 15 countries, like the South Africa, Kenya, Egypt, Botswana, and South America, 7 countries like the Chile, Green, Peru, and North America, Canada, USA, Mexico, and Oceania, 2 countries, Australia and New Zealand. Yeah, we already installed many countries about our pyrolysis machine. Yeah. Then I will give you a simple introduction about the more details case, you can see what the pyrolysis plant will look like in our plant factory. Okay, the first one is from our Thailand plant. This plant recycling the waste plastic and he cooperates with their local government. So many clients told us with the plastic raw material price is higher than the with the tires. It's not easy to find locally because many countries are limit a person to use the plastic bags, right? Especially in some shopping mall, they don't want to use the short plastic bag. But there are still some many waste plastic in our daily life. Yeah, like the paper making leftover and the plastic bag for industry. This talent plant also cooperate with their local governments and to recycling the landfill plastic. We know the landfill plastic is very dirty, but there are big amounts about the landfill plastic. Of course, their governments also want to the company help them to recycling the landfill plastic because it's a big problem for the environment. So the Thailand plant will get two money about this project. The first is from their government, and the second is from the pyrolysis fuel oil. So we found a suitable method to find the with the plastic raw material. It's more better to recycling the waste plastic. Of course, not all the plastic can be recycled by our pyrolysis plant. Only PP, PE, PS, ABS are available, but PET, like the water bottle, and the PVC are not available because there is no oil. So this is a question many clients will ask us. Okay, let's continue to see the talent plan. And the installation time is 2013. The capacity is 20 tons capacity per day because they bought two sets 10-ton capacity pyrolysis machine. And the raw material is the landfill and the scrap with the tires. And the oil yield already reached 65%. It's already high oil yield, but also some plants, some plastic can reach even 13% or 18%. Yeah, we can see the raw material this talent client use. It's a landfill. We can see the raw material is very dirty. As I just mentioned in our demo factory, when you feeding the raw material to the reactor, you can feed by piece. Of course, the build and the compress time is also okay. It can save some space for you. So don't worry about the feeding method by piece or by batch, both okay. And we can see the oil pictures. It's very clean and the good color, right? And this is a oil tank for the pyrolysis oil. Of course, the oil tank, you need prepare the oil tank in your factory. It's all about the oil tank capacity depend on your depends on the days, how many days you will sell the oil. If you we know from the for example for 10-ton with the plastic, you will get about 4 to 5 tons pyrolysis oil, right? So if you only work 5 days a week, then you will get about 20 tons pyrolysis oil. And if you sell the pyrolysis oil 1 week, one time. Then you need prepare and buy 20 to 25 ton pyrolysis oil tank is enough. It's about the oil tank for storage the pyrolysis oil or the diesel. And the second case is from our Europe country, Finland. We know in Europe country, the space, the land is very limited for them, and the land is very expensive. So when they build a factory, they have to condenser consider the factory space. They have to ensure the machine can install in their small space. Yeah, just like the Finland plant, the installation time about the Finland plant is 2016, and the capacity is 10 tons. The raw material they recycle is PP and PE plastic, and also the output product is plastic diesel. They want to get the diesel, and all you usage is into the marine engine and the farm engine. Yeah, we can see the picture from the Finland. This picture is the Finland plant visit Huayin or in our Huayin office in 2014. And we can see this picture and this picture in their factory inside house. We can see the space is very small, so it needs our special design for this plant. We need to design the cooling system. We can see the cooling system is not the same with the type in our demo factory. We are special design for them to match their factory space. And we can see this plant use the above ground furnace, this type, and use the oil burners for the automatic type. And also, they use the hydraulic feeding door. We know the hydraulic feeding door can help the seating effect is more better. So when you want to make some change about the pyrolysis plants, Huayin have the ability to meet your different requirements. Okay, we have the technology development department to meet different clients, different requirements. And we can see the picture about the oil. This one is the plastic pyrolysis oil, and this one is the diesel. And in the middle one is the oil after color and smell removal. So when you want to get diesel from waste tire and waste plastic, you will need 3 types different machine. The first is a pyrolysis machine, transfer the waste tire plastic to pyrolysis oil, and then one distillation machine to transfer the fuel oil to the diesel, and then use our color and smell remove system to let the oil smell better and color more better. And the next one is our South Africa plant. We can also see they bought 2 set 10-ton capacity machine. So when you want to start this business and want to earn more money per day, you can consider 20 tons capacity per day. And the installation time is 2018 June, and in and the oil yields are already over 43%. And the oil usage is heavy fuel oil for boiler heating. Yeah, we can see there are a different drawing here. One is for pyrolysis machine layout drawing, and one is for foundation drawing. So when after you buying our machine, our engineer will give you a drawing according to your factory. So you just give you a simple drawing about the factory. Our engineer will design the machine layout for you. Okay. And this picture is taken from the back part. The back part, we can see it's an integrated design cooling system, and there is only a simple roof in this factory. So we know the pyrolysis plant is cost is very high. So when you don't want to cost many money in the factory, you can just do as the South Africa plant, only build a simple roof for the reactor. Of course, some clients will ask, what will happen if we won't want to use anything? Just expose the machine outside. Of course, it also can raining too, but when it's raining or snowing, it will affect your workers to operate, right? So it's better to have a simple roof. And this is an outfitter, just like our demo factory, and the carbon black discharge system. Okay, it's about a South Africa client. And this one is our Bangladesh plant. We can see there are many waste tires already being cut in their factory. So they want to recycle the waste tires. And we can see the foundation is above the ground. Also the simple roof in the Bangladesh plant, right? And the installation time is 2016. Okay. And the raw material is waste tire, and the oil used over 48%. Maybe you will ask why the same waste tire but different oil use. Yes, the small tires or the big tire, the truck tire, different tires will have different oil use. Of course, same as the plastic, different plastic also with different oil use. So if you already have the raw material, but want to know how much the oil yield you will get, you can test with our mini pyrolysis machine. I will introduce you later. Also, you can send your raw material sample to us, and we will test for you. Okay. Yeah, this is an honor to our engineer Guo Pengfei in Bangladesh plant. They are very satisfied with our engineer service, so they gave this honor certification to him. About the pyrolysis machine, it's very big and need professional engineer to help you guide the installation and of course train your workers. So when you cooperate with a company, you need to know whether they are a trading company or a manufacturer. Of course, whether they can supply the professional engineer to help you install the machine. We already meet many clients already bought the machine, but the supplier can't arrange the engineer to help them install the machine, and they ask our Huayin company to help them. So it's a very, very big questions. You must ensure the company can arrange the engineer to help you install the machine. Even in 2020, our engineers still all over the world to help our clients solve the after sales problem. So Huayin is responsible for our machine. Each machine we sold to the world. Okay. Okay, this one is about our talent plant. This plant already been our agent in talent. We can see the picture. There is a small pyrolysis machine. It's 10 kg mini pyrolysis machine. Why this agent buy the 10 kg pyrolysis machine? Because he already be our agent, so he want to sell more and more machines in their market. So they want to show their clients how the machine will work. But When each time shows a big machine running, it's a little hard and cost time and cost money. So he bought one 10 kg mini machine to show to their clients. Of course, when some countries' governments need to see the real machine running, you also can use the 10 kg mini machine. Yeah. These plants also recycle the waste plastic. We can see the raw material he had already sorted and built well, and all of them looks like plastic bag. This plastic bag oil use is very high, can reach about 70% to 18%. It's very high oil use. And we can see our 10 kg pyrolysis machine. Yeah, about the usage. What's the usage about the 10 kg pyrolysis machine? First, it can use a trial for different kinds of material to test the oil used. Yeah, just machine. If you are new about the pyrolysis business, but don't have enough confidence about the business, you need to test the raw material, right? You can use the 10 kg pyrolysis machine and test the raw material and give you more confidence about this business. And second, you can use a running model to show to their customer. Yeah, give your customer confidence about the pyrolysis plan. And third, you can use it as a model to show their government to supply a running license. Yes, when you want to start this business, you must get a running license from your government. But some countries' government must see the real machine running. So, but you can't let them see a big machine running before you applying a license, right? So the 10 kg mini machine can help you a lot. It's total same design with our big machine. And the small pyrolysis plant is suitable for this can who also started doing this project and use it as a try. Yeah, just a machine. So if you want to get the price about the 10 kg mini pyrolysis machine, just contact with your sales manager or leave your message, comment, and click the catalog or chat now here. Okay. Yeah, it's about the details about the 10 kg pyrolysis machine. The material is stainless steel. Yeah, as Clover just introduced in our workshop, the 10-ton capacity machine use the Q245R the material, right? But this one use stainless steel. This means the lifetime can extend to 10 years and maybe more. So they can use many years. Okay. And we can see the package about the 10 kg pyrolysis machine only need two small wood box, okay? And you can choose by ship or by air, make the shipping very fast, okay? This case is about our Jordan case. He also recycled the waste hire, and it's the installation time in 2019, and also two set 10-ton capacity pyrolysis machine, and steel wheels. Yes, all you use is 30%. Yes, you can know different clans and different with tires with different oil use. Here we can see the picture. These pictures are taken by our engineer when install the machine in our plant factory. Okay, this one is our Belgium plant, the Europe country. We can see he installed it one ton pyrolysis machine and 1 ton distillation machine to get the diesel. This Belgium plants already help us introduce many clients to Huayin. In some Europe country, our clients want to know more situation about Huayin and want to get the confidence we will give them the Belgium client contact information. And the Belgium client really help us a lot. Of course, he earned money from this project. So he is willing to contact with us. He is willing to help us. And also this client change some many technology details too. So he already built a cooperation with Huayin. So we keep good relationship. You know, the installation time is 2019, and he want to get diesel for the marine engine. Yeah, we can see the shipping container about the 1 ton pyrolysis machine. Okay, it's about our global cases. Of course, we are not only have these cases. I just introduce you some case all over the world. We already export to our pyrolysis machine to 77 countries. So if you want to know whether your country already installed the machine, just contact with your sales manager or click the catalog or chat now and contact with our customer service person. Okay, it's our live shoot today. Okay, friends, wish you already enjoying our Huayin live shoot time, and we will have more and more live show this year. So if you want to know more about our pyrolysis machine and know more details about our pyrolysis machine technology or other parts, just leave your message and contact with your sales manager. We will show you in our next live show. Okay, friends, Happy New Year and see you next time. Bye bye.